In this video, I will show you how to blur the face or image in Capcut on your desktop computer. First, you need to copy the video and paste it on top of the first one. Next, you want to go to the top side of the menu, click on Effects. Then click on the Video Effects. Look for the Lens section and click on it. You want to find the effect Blur. You will need to scroll down to find it. Then you want to click on the plus button at the bottom right corner to add that to the video section. Extend the blur to fit the entire length of the video. After that, you want to combine the blur effect and the video together via the compound clip option. You do that by holding left-click and highlighting the blur effect in the video, then right-click and select the Create Compound Clip option. Next, head to the top right and select the mask option. Select the circle option and add that to the video. Adjust the circle to cover the face of the person you want to blur. This works great if the person is not moving. If the person is moving, then you want to use this function called keyframe. This involves moving along with the motion of the person. Click on the position keyframe on the top right side. Now adjust the circle to where the head is moving to. You will have to repeat this step multiple times if the camera or person moves a lot. Sometimes you will need to go back to different frames in the video to adjust them accordingly. I will fast forward a little and show you the end result. As you can see, the blur is following her. That concludes the tutorial. Thanks for watching.